What's up guys, Sam here at Barprints.co, and today we're going to talk about how to make a liqueur. Now for those of you who don't know, a liqueur is essentially a sweetened spirit. The base of the liqueur is typically either a vodka, a rum, a whiskey, or a brandy, and then it's paired with sugar and some other flavoring agent, typically a fruit. In some cases you have hazelnut liqueurs or things like that, different types of things. But the base spirit is something that typically pairs well with a sweetened version of the flavor. Now, coming from the Caribbean, I had a lot of difficulty trying to find particular ingredients, bottled commercial things. So I had to make them. So I'm just going to share with you really quickly my methods so that you can go ahead and come up with some funky stuff all on your own. It's super easy to do, and once you have this method down, then the sky's the limit in terms of your creativity and what you can offer to your guests, be them at home or in a professional bar. Now, essentially, my method is adding vodka to a cordial. And if you haven't seen my video on a cordial, go ahead and watch that video first. I'll link it right up here. Watch that video first, because all we're going to be doing is adding a spirit to a cordial. Do that now and then come back. Okay, so now that you've watched that video, in the step where you have all the ingredients in the pot, all you have to do at this point is just add your spirit to it. In the case of the cordial video that we just did a while ago, I would add vodka to that particular one, just my personal preference of what I would be going for. But of course it's up to you, and I encourage you to play with it. Try a bunch of different flavors, a bunch of different things, and see what fits best for you. And then just follow the rest of the methodology in terms of letting it cool, transfer it over to your bottle, and then you're set. Super simple, no muss, no fuss. Now, if you're looking for bar products to help you upgrade your bar arsenal, go ahead and head over to barprints.co. If you like this video, please share it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want me to cover anything else in particular on this channel, go ahead and leave it in the comments and I'll try to get to it in the days and weeks ahead. Last but not least, go ahead and look in the link in the description below and click and download our free ebook, The Barprints Cheat Sheet. Has a bunch of great information in there, fundamentals to help you upgrade your bar arsenal, as well as a couple advanced techniques to really take your cocktails to the next level. Thanks again, guys. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next video.